So I'm gonna try out tandem smithing now that I've upgraded the blacksmith enough. That's why I have Martin with me in my party. Oh! Okay, so I guess you don't have to have them in your party to do it? Because I don't want Misagi in my party. Huh. Too bad I can't just do anything, even if I don't have the materials. That'd be cool. I wasn't expecting to actually have to choose. I thought it'd just randomly pick something for me, like when you do dates at the blacksmith in Rune Factory 4. I guess I'll just do Brooch Sword. Oops. So it's kind of like how you make stuff in Rune Factory Titan Test. But I only missed once! Aw man! So apparently even if you just miss once, it's a failure! Good thing I didn't use any of my, like, good materials. That kind of sucks.